60 Impala down here. That's my favorite, one of my favorites. Got a 66 Mustang convertible, 289.
Oh, the other guy over there is leaving.
There's a phone going off. Is that yours?
No.
What's the problem, Michelle?
No, I'm good. Oh, I like the one over there.
Here's what I like. 60 Impala. One of my favorites.
Oh, that's 60 Impala?
Yeah, I like those lights. They look like a bee's eyes.
Here, give me the coffee. Here.
The only thing I don't like about it, they changed that steering wheel. They put a modern day steering wheel on it. I don't like that. They're all doing that. I don't know why, but oh, and another thing, they got the aftermarket horn and the aftermarket aluminum square block radiator. I don't like. See, they have aftermarket radiators that match the original one perfectly. They just don't have the Chevy stamp on it, but they look just like it, utilizing the same molds and the same dies to press them out. But they refuse to put them on the cars. They just want to throw something in there to keep it running cool. You know, I know the aluminums are more efficient by about 20 to 30%, but still, this looks not right in the old antique car. Look at this nice van. I had a van like this, a green one. It was right, of course, yeah, nice. But they want a lot of money for those things. You know? Here's a nice 71 maybe. Yeah, it's a Mach. Was it a Mach 3? This one, yeah, maybe 71, 72. Actually, it could be a 69. I don't know. My cousin Manny had something like this. I think it was a green one. I started to like these too, even though when I was young I never liked them. Galaxy. I had a 500 Galaxy 64 model convertible. This is a hardtop, maybe a 61 or 2, I think. Hard to tell these days. You kind of walk away from reading the books and the magazines. There's no more magazines and books, so I'm not into going online too much. So of course what happens is you kind of lose some of your knowledge. It fades away, and then you don't know exactly what year. But there was a time when I could name every single year of these cars, except these plastic ones like this Buick. I'm not into that. Came out all automatics. I don't even know if they're V6s, I can't remember, but people like those internationals, like they're really something great, but I never got it. I never understood it, you know. Here you go, 59, maybe 1960 Austin Healey Bug-Eye Sprite. Pretty cool. Michelle, remember I bought one of these? Guy came the next week and took it back. It was all rotted. Yeah, I bought one, didn't work out, but I had one for about a week. All rotted away, huh, Michelle? Guy said it was really good condition, no rust. Or he said minimal rust here and there. Whole back end was all rotted away. Some people try anything to sell a car. Then when you call him back on it, he was nice enough though to come back and pick it up. All the way from Tennessee, he came back and picked it up, gave me back my money. So he was a pretty nice guy after all, but I used to work in here, Michelle. I used to see this building. I used to go in here and what happened? I can't hear you. Facing, talking away from me. What? You said something? Yeah, I can't hear you, babe. They got music over here too. '74 King Cobra. It might be a 75 if it's a V8. Yeah, because in '74 they didn't make a V8 model. They didn't offer it. '67 SS Camaro, real nice. Got a 68 over here, SS. Yellow. Got a 64 Chevy Nova. And over here we have a 64 or 65 Falcon. Probably a 65. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the live music, huh, baby? Pawn shop's open too. I might step in there real quick. Local pawn shop. You smell jackfruit? Michelle's Filipina knows the text jackfruit in the immediate area. Jackfruit. Where's it at, Michelle? Want something, babe?
The devil's on his way. Boy, just I got shit. I'm just about to baby. Broken up in glass. Stepping into bed. The good things in your past. Hey, when you believe things, then you understand. Then you say. Always will be one of those things that life just won't wait. They can feel it all.